channel Miss My Blush. My name is Muskan for all you guys who are new here. I shopped a lot on Amazon recently because I wanted to switch up my products from like winter to summer. And as much as I don't like summer, I absolutely love the products that I can use in summer because everything is so light and everything is so fresh. So I decided to do a haul for you guys. This video includes makeup, skincare that is perfect for the spring and summer time. And Amazon also has a mega sale going on right now on which you can save up to 70% off on a huge variety of beauty products. Everything in today's video is from Amazon. All the links are going to be in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using what products, then please keep watching. I'm going to get started with skincare first. And the first thing that I have here is this Forest Essentials Delicate Facial Cleanser, Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. If you guys have been here for a long time, you guys know that I used to love this so much. I have emptied bottles and bottles of this until I sort of like forgot about it. I don't know why. But since it's summer and this is really refreshing, I decided to shift back to it. I used this in the shower today and I love the feeling of it. I love the way this smells. Instead of a toner, I got this Laneige Cream Skin Refiner Mist. It's going to hydrate your skin, but it is not at all heavy. It just makes my skin like feel really nice and awake. And I love using this in the morning as soon as I wake up, and I really like this. You guys know that my skin was going through a lot, and there is one ingredient that helped me so much. That was niacinamide. I love niacinamide in my serums, in my shampoos, in my body care. I just love niacinamide as an ingredient. I want to eat it if that's possible. But this is the Minimalist Niacinamide 5% and hyaluronic acid 1%. This is my holy grail. I use it in every season. This is my all season product, but especially summer because this is very light and it gives me that glass skin glow. Niacinamide is going to help you overcome texture, acne marks. It is also going to brighten your skin, plus this has hyaluronic acid which is going to hydrate your skin. So this is a great serum. The next thing that I got is a moisturizer. Now, vitamin C is something that we all should use daily. This is the Laneige radianC cream. This has vitamin C. So instead of adding like a vitamin C serum and then going on with another moisturizer, I just got a vitamin C moisturizer. This is again very light on the skin, does not feel too heavy, gives my skin like a really nice glow. All of those things in one jar. I love it. So the next thing that I got is of course a sunscreen. No skincare routine should be complete without a sunscreen. And the sunscreen that I got is by CosRx. This is their Aloe Soothing Sunscreen SPF 50, and this is a very soothing sunscreen, very light, again great for summer. This is SPF 50, so it is going to protect you well. And this is also on sale, so I got really excited. The next thing is actually a fragrance that I want to talk about. I got the Forest Essentials Body Mist, and this is in jasmine and saffron. I just feel like saffron is such a summer vibe for me. I like to apply this body mist right after I come out of the shower, and this just gives me the most refreshing fragrance ever. It just smells like a beautiful garden. I get so many compliments when I wear this body mist. I swear people in my house also ask me, kya lagaya hai? This is great. They also have a bigger size in this, but I got it in the smaller size so I can just put it in my bag and bring it to my studio, and I just can carry this with me all day every day. So this has such amazing reviews on Amazon that I was like, I need that. I'm done with skincare. Now I have a lot of makeup to talk about. I'm going to go in the steps of how I apply it so that I can also show you how I applied it in today's video. For my primer, I got the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+poreless primer because as you guys can see, all my skincare gives me a very nice translucent glass skin effect. If I'm wearing makeup, I do not need my entire face to glow. So I like to use a pore filling primer on my nose and around my cheeks because as you sweat, as your makeup becomes more and more glowy throughout the day, your pores can look more visible. So a pore filling primer for me in summers is must. I got the Sugar Cosmetics Peach Corrector. Now I use this under my eye, around my mouth, on my acne. This gave me the coverage that I wanted. Iske upar, I just wanted to even out everything. So for that, I have the Wet n Wild Hydrator. This is a tinted sort of a moisturizer slash foundation. It has more coverage than a moisturizer. But it is lighter than a foundation, and I got this in the shade light medium. I got a concealer. You guys know I love buying concealers and I love trying new concealers, and I hadn't tried this one by Wet n Wild. This is again in the shade light medium beige, and I just applied it like lightly under my eyes, just to like brighten my under eyes and around my mouth, just to brighten some areas up. I use this. I'm very happy with this purchase because this is again a very light concealer. So I got these two lip and cheek tints by Rust Luxury Oils. Now I got them in two shades. I got nude brown and mauve pink. Now I wanted to use a cream blush, but I didn't buy a cream blush, but these are lip and cheek tints, so I went in with a mauve pink as my blush. I took some on my hand and applied it on my cheeks. Beautiful glowy blush, that's all I want to say about this. I also got a contour stick, and this is again by Wet n Wild, and I used this too today, and this is again great. It is not too warm, it is not too cool, adds like a little bit of warmth to your skin that I love during the summers. Then I got a liquid illuminator. I've again wanted to try this for a very long time. This is the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter, and this doesn't have a base color to it, so it looks really white in the tube, but it does not have a base color. So that's why it can, you know, go with your skin really nicely because it doesn't have a base color. It's just like pure glitter amazingness in a tube, so it will work really nicely. So I was recently traveling. I think I had gone somewhere or to some wedding, I don't remember, and I lost my sugar loose powder, and I really like it. I feel like this is such a great affordable loose powder. It sets your makeup, it does not take too much shine away, so I bought a new one. The next thing that I bought is an eyebrow product. So normally I like using powder, like eyebrow powder, to fill in my brows, but that's during winter because I'm not sweating as much. But if you're sweating a lot, then the powder can disappear throughout the day. So I needed a pencil, and I got the Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil. This has a nice angular tip. I have really thick eyebrows, so I really liked using the spoolie as well. The next thing that I'm pretty sure you guys are really excited about are the liners on my eyes, and these are such fun liners. These are by Sugar Cosmetics. I got them in 3 shades. I got a pink, an orange, and a yellow liner. This just screams summer to me. It's such a nice way to add like some pop of color to your makeup by just adding like a colored liner. I went a little crazy today and I did like 3 colored liner because I really wanted to try all 3 of them. I honestly love the way that my look turned out. They have more colors. I think I'm going to go buy those as well. Next thing that I got is a mascara. I had seen so many reviews of this mascara online on like YouTube and stuff, and then I saw it on Amazon and I was like, where did this launch? I was so excited to see this. I think this is a recent launch. I finally got it and I used it today, and you guys can see this opened up my lashes. It did not clump up my lashes, and the packaging on this is so cute. It has like a cute crown on it, and this is the Biggg Poppa mascara. I got one more blush because we're on Miss Meg blush, guys, come on. So I got this really nice poppy like bright pink blush, which is I think perfect for this time of the year. The next thing that I got, this is by Shiseido, and this is their Inner Glow Cheek Powder, Inner Light 01. This is a very like light sort of a highlighter. This looks like a very natural glow. Shiseido is a very expensive brand, but I found this on sale and I was like, come to my cart, baby, come to my cart. I only got one lip liner. This is the Lakme Absolute 3D Lip Definer in the shade 04 Rouge. This is a yummy everyday nude lip liner. If you apply a lip liner and like a lip oil like I did and just go ahead with your day, this is going to last you all day because lip liners are very long lasting, and I also like the whole defined lip look. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. That's all that I bought from Amazon. As I said, they have a mega sale going on and you can save up to 70% off on all of these brands, on all of these products. I love shopping from Amazon. They have the fastest delivery. All of these products came to me in like 2 days, and I do not have to wait with Amazon. They have beautiful offers, they have beautiful sales, and if you're somebody like me who loves shopping, then you need to go check out this sale as soon as possible. That's all I wanted to talk about. All the links to all the products that I spoke about in today's video are going to be in the description box below. I also want to thank Amazon for partnering up with me in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Comment and tell me what products are you buying this summer, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you super soon in my next video. Bye bye.